This is Avani's WB 6000 welding booth. It's a heavy-duty steel construction, dual panel walls, powder coated inside and out. It can be installed as either a single unit or we can install as multiple units side to side and or back to back. This unit can be ducted out to an external fan or blower, or Avani can install one of our cartridge collectors on top of the unit. This welding booth comes with a number of standard features that you'll be hard pressed to find in other welding booths. We have both backdraft and updraft capability, both fully adjustable to balance your airflow. In addition to the backdraft and updraft capability, we also have ports where you can install a Avani fume arm for point of extraction use. We have ports for both compressed air and gas, a shelf for your welding equipment or tools, as well as an intermediate shelf where you can attach a welding fixture. An easy access clean out drawer for your heavy particulate and slag, recessed explosion-proof lighting, 110 volt accessory outlet, easy access to all your controls, including your manual pulse cleaning for a top-mounted cartridge collector. This is the WB 6000 double boost side-to-side configuration with an Avani top-mounted cartridge collector. This particular collector is a 5 horsepower yielding 2400 CFM with easy access to both the filters and clean-out drawers. It has a static pressure gauge to go along with the manual pulse cleaning.